Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah, nah.
So guys, today I came to the outlet to do some New Year's shopping.
I don't remember where the store is like. Alright, so guys, I'm in Reebok and they don't have the color that I wanted, which is so sad. So I'm trying on the black, but I don't know, I just don't like the black. So I don't know if I'm going to get it. Guys, I'm pretty sure it's finished.
A lucky bag is a bag with unknown items, but the value of the bag is far more than the cost of the bag. So stores in Japan sell these bags on New Year's Day.
After thinking about it, I'm going to get one of the Zara lucky bags. You see, going the wrong way, guys. I'm not good with directions at all. But yeah. So guys, now I'm on the bus to go back to the station so that I can go home. I'm so tired and hungry, guys. And it's 7:05. So the finally going home, guys. It feels so good to be on an empty train. Like, so wonderful. No, it's 9:32 and I'm so excited to open this right here. Okay, so let's start. Perfect. Just going to take a pair of scissors and cut. Guys, I don't even know where to cut. So I'm going to cut right here. I think that's where the seal is. So first, whoa, it's this shirt thing. Alright, so I guess I can wear this to church. I like it. I like it, guys. I like it.
So I really should have ironed this. But nevertheless, I really like it. It's a nice top.
And it has a few tassels. Yeah. Or maybe work. I don't know. So guys, that's one. On to the next one, guys. Alright. Next one, guys. Okay, the next one is a simple shirt. Okay, I love this one. I love this. This is just simple. This is so me. Very simple. So I definitely give this a check. The first one is a triangle. I don't know. When I try it on, I will see what it looks like. But the shirt, definitely. Alright, next. Guys, no, I'm really sorry. If I knew there was a short inside, I would definitely have gotten the small, but I took the extra small. So this is also extra small. I don't know if this will fit. Maybe I have to give it to somebody, but I guess this fits this right here. I don't know. I like it. Alright, I don't know what this is, but I can tell that I'm not gonna like it. Yup. Definitely. You know what, guys? I'm going to try it first. Perfect. Before I say that I don't like it. So it's a dress. It's a dress. A turtleneck dress. Guys, I don't think I like this, but this is only one of many. So I'll see how it looks tomorrow. I like the color though. I like the color. What is this? Oh my god. Just don't be a pants. Just tell me it's not. Already hate this. Already.
Alright, so I take that back. These pants might
skirt,
actually do
I would
something.
like it.
I think I like
Like
it.
I said, don't know how I feel about this, guys. Japanese people love these Bigfoot things. I don't know why they do, but I'll try it and see what it looks like. I don't know. Next. Okay, I'm happy about this. Like, I'm just happy about the simple stuff. And the quality is really nice, guys. So, I like this. So, I'm not sure about that. Alright guys, this is a headband. Alright, I like it. I might give it away though. I'm not really this color pink type of girl for accessories, that is. Next, guys, so I guess this is something I'm going to be wearing to church again. I don't know. Is it? Wait, it's a dress? Guys, I don't know what this is. I legit don't know if it's a shirt or a dress. Knowing Zara, I think it's a dress. Better? Alright. Why the colors? Like, why the colors? I like this, guys. It's kind of too colorful, but I can wear it with something solid. So I actually, yeah, I don't mind this. I like this. Alright. I like this. So I like this crop top right here. I like it. The last thing. So this is the last thing, guys. And I actually saw this through the bag and I was wondering what it was. Guys, I absolutely love this right here. I love this. It has a tie at the back. You guys, this is my favorite. This is my favorite thing. So let me see how many things were those. Those were 11 items, guys. 11 items. So I definitely want to see what they look like when I try